I'm coming.
All right.
Really? Just a feel? Well, how about you? What do you want? You do? All four of you? Where do you want it? Oh, that's sweet. If you ever go, darling,
I gotta figure out how to put a rim around it now.
For what?
For the edge, we gotta have a lip on it.
What's
It's all about presentation, my friend.
that gonna be?
It's gonna be a plate.
I thought you were making a mud strip.
No, we'll make a mug next. We just toothpick these in.
if I don't see her each day, I miss her.
Put some toothpicks on there, hold it together, cook it.
Each time.
And then when we take the toothpicks out, it will stay.
Really, I've got a case on Nancy. With a
Cross our fingers, right?
What?
Cross our fingers and hope for
That those parts will stay.
films.
She makes it summer.
Alright.
Summer.